M-Town Police Department.
I've seen an unknown car in M-Town. Shall we worry?
Under the hood, we have a brand new 3-litre M twin-power turbo inline 6-cylinder engine. And whilst the X3M and X4M come with 480 horsepower, the competition model offers an additional 30 horsepower. And when unleashing that power, the optionally available carbon precision struts provide high rigidity in any driving situation.
New member of the M family.
Now, the M Sport exhaust system comes as standard with the competition models and gives these powerful vehicles an even more emotional and distinctive sound.
On the road, they drive as good as they sound. It's a bit like being on a roller coaster when the engine, an 8-speed M Steptronic transmission, catapults you in just 4.1 seconds from 0 to 100 kph. And by the way, it's only 600 Newton meters pressing you into your seat. Such driving dynamics need superior braking performance. The M compound brake system. Racetrack technology for the street. Now that is BMW M. The M-specific suspension is individually configurable, whether that's maximum driving dynamics to long-distance comfort. Both cars come with M-specific electric steering and M-specific front axle kinematics, which ensures immediate steering feedback and response in any driving situation.
For superior traction and agility with maximum control, they're both equipped with the innovative MX drive with active M differential. Sensors continually monitor the current driving situation, and dependent upon those results, the system then permanently controls the torque distribution between the front and the rear axle, as well as between the two rear wheels. With all the driving fun to be had, it's very easy to forget just how useful it is having state-of-the-art driver assistance systems, including active cruise control, stop and go, and the traffic jam assist, which is available for the X3M and X4M. Striking technology and thrilling performance. The new members of the powerful M family are available from July 2019.